Hey there, ambitious students and young professionals. Welcome back to the Recruiter Talk. Today, we're diving into the world of internships with our special episode, Internship 101, How to Land Your Ideal Internship. Whether you're a college student looking to gain practical experience or a recent graduate aiming to kickstart your career, this video is for you. So, let's get ready to unlock the secrets to securing your dream internship. In today's competitive job market, internships have become a crucial stepping stone. They offer you the opportunity to apply classroom knowledge to real-world situations, build your professional network, and gain valuable skills that employers seek. But landing your ideal internship requires preparation and strategy. Fear not, as we've got you covered with practical tips to stand out from the crowd and secure that perfect internship. So, let's jump right in. Before embarking on your internship journey, take a moment to identify your passion and goals. What areas of work excite you the most? What skills do you want to develop? Understanding your interests and aspirations will guide you in choosing internships that align with your long-term career objectives. Now that you know what you're looking for, it's time to research companies and available internship opportunities. We'll share pro tips on where to find internship listings, how to evaluate company cultures, and why networking is a game changer in uncovering hidden opportunities. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression on potential employers. We'll guide you through the process of tailoring your resume to highlight relevant experiences and skills. Plus, we'll show you how to write a compelling cover letter that captures the recruiter's attention and sets you apart from other candidates. Congratulations! You've landed an interview. Now, let's ensure you shine during the interview process. From common interview questions to mastering the art of showcasing your strengths and passion, we'll equip you with the confidence to impress any hiring manager. Well, that concludes our crash course in Internship 101, How to Land Your Ideal Internship. I hope you found these tips valuable and feel inspired to take the next step in your career journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow students and young professionals. Don't forget to subscribe to the Recruiter Talk for more career development and job hunting insights. Thank you for joining us today, and best of luck in securing your dream internship. Remember, the path to success starts with determination, passion, and a willingness to learn. Until next time, happy internship hunting!